Hey everybody, what is up? My name is Eric McGrew with Eric's Tree Service in Montrose, Colorado, and I'm coming back to you with a arborist tree tip, or just arborist tips. And so one of the biggest things that we all deal with, no matter who we are, is equipment, right? Pickup trucks and trailers and all that kind of stuff. Well, one of the biggest things that I find that is neglected for the companies that I've worked for in the past and that I've seen in general is not doing something as simple as putting dielectric grease on your contact points. This is important whether you're in rainy areas or dry areas. Dust and junk just gets in your contact points and your connectors, and it's just really bad. So just buy some dielectric grease, put it in there regularly, make sure that it's making good contact, and then you have less issues with your lighting and things like that. So super simple thing to do, not very expensive, but it can save you a lot of hassle and can save you a ticket and some money for repairs of corroded connectors in the future if you just keep them greased up. All right, see you in the next one.